police emergency?
Can you come to...
What's going on there?
When the police come, I'll mention to them.
No, you tell me what's going on there. Otherwise, I'm not sending anybody if I don't know what's going on. They need to know what they're attending to.
They're having a go at me and I'm not paying for food and that.
Say that again.
They're having a go at me because I'm not paying for the food because I ordered a different meal and they're not sorting it out.
Okay, well, it's just civil between you and the shop owner then, isn't it?
I'm having an argument with them.
Well, there's no point you arguing, is there? Over the food?
Yeah, please.
No, I haven't got police to send to you. Just because you're not happy with the service there, that's something civil between you and the shop owner, and you need to resolve. Yeah, so I don't understand why you're phoning the police. What do you want the police to do? I
said to him, come out the front and I'll fight you.
Well, if you start fighting, you're going to get yourself arrested down here. That's not a good idea, is it? What's your name?
It says Solvo.
What's your name?
Why?
Because you phoned the police, that's why. I want to know who I'm speaking to.
I want the police here first.
Hey?
I want the police here first.
Well, that's not going to happen unless you provide me with details.
If I give you my name, yeah?
Yes.
Can you get the police to here?
I'm trying to resolve this with you now because it's really a civil issue between you and the owner, isn't it?
My name.
Right, okay. So, basically, you've ordered some food, and is it that you're not happy with the food?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's nothing to do with the police, is it, if you're not happy with the food? The police have got more important things to deal with, haven't they?
Everything.
Well, just don't go there then. If his food isn't good enough for you, don't go there. Don't give him your money. Go somewhere else to have some food.
The police though.
I haven't got any available officers to send, not to a civil issue like that. Okay, it's a really busy Easter weekend, okay, as you can imagine. Our officers are committed, they're going from one job to the other.
They want the police here.
That's because you won't get out. So you go out of their shop and then the matter will be resolved, okay?
Get on me here.
Don't speak to me like that, okay? Bye.